Tears, pain, you never left my side. You remained the same, and I'm so glad that you love me.
Hey everybody, it's Tayshawn Miller. And it's giveaway time, baby. Yes. Y'all, Levi is looking at me like I done lost my mind. Yeah. Hold on, y'all. Let me turn my TV down. So they can't give me no copyright strike chair. Levi, I gotta turn this TV down. Sorry. But, anywho. Yeah. So it's giveaway time. So here's what I decided. As in my previous video, I decided that I am going to do I feel like two of the styles that I know you guys would be able to mimic, plus two of the styles that like I know you all like the most. I decided to do a giveaway for those styles. So my eyebrow itching, sorry. So for the first giveaway, I'm probably gonna break this up into like 4 giveaways, 3 or 4 giveaways, because I have just that much hair. So the first giveaway will be from the company Yebo. Actually, I got 2 giveaways with that one company. But for the first batch of hair that I'm going to be giving away, it's some faux locks, baby. And here's the company, Yebo. I'm sure you guys remember them from my video when I did the spring twist. I will link that video in the description box so you guys can take a look at that in case you have for some reason been under a rock, honey, and have not seen the video, okay? So make sure you check that out. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna open this and we're gonna see exactly what we got, okay? Well, I already know, but y'all don't know. Yeah, I wanna know, so I'm gonna pretend like I'm opening it for the first time. Oh, what we do, yeah. Okay, so. I'm so excited. I'm not excited. I already know what it is. Okay, so, oh my God. Y'all, oh my God, they sent me this hair. Yeah, enough of the foolery. Okay, so they sent me sorry for crunching in y'all. Yeah, I know that's so annoying. I know. I know, girl. I'm sorry. I know it's annoying. Okay. So, for the first giveaway, and then they always send like these little clips. It's a little charm. My camera real far today, child. And these clips. Okay, so let's get into these distressed locks. And I'm so glad they sent me this because I actually have like 3 or 4 videos on these. I think 2 of them may be wigs and the other 2 may be crochet. And it's with the same exact color. So let's look at the detail of these locks. And I like the fact that they are crocheted, like with the loop, so, you know, you can't do, I don't think, wait, let me see. I don't think you can do the individuals with this because, yeah, they don't open. So you can't do the individual method where you would put them in and, you know, latch hook this piece and wrap it around your plait. You won't be able to do that, but you can still do the crochet method, which is, to me, still good because you'll see in the video that I'll attach, my hair still came out bomb.com and I did not do it in individuals. So these are, they look pretty like textured. This is, I believe, this is 18 inch. Where's the little paper? These are the 18 inch because they told me that they had 14 and 16 and I mean and 18. So these are the 18 inch. Okay, these are the ends, just a little ombre curl on the ends or whatever. And let me just get in so you guys can see that texture. Hey, Levi. The texture. Okay, and normally when you get these locks, I know you usually get about maybe anywhere from 12, maybe you may get 16, somewhere like that. So we're gonna go ahead and count and see how many you get with this. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So that's a lot. You get 24 and you're gonna get 4 packs. That's gonna be 96 locks, which is enough, because when I did my hair before, I had 100 locks and I went back in and took some of them out because it was just way too many for me. I did not like how it was just too full. I couldn't put it up in a bun. I couldn't do a ponytail. I couldn't do nothing. It was just way too much. So this is definitely enough. The 4 packs that you will be getting, this is enough for a full head, and they're pretty thick in size. They're not really thin. You see what I'm saying? And I don't know if y'all can really see that texture in there, but I love that texture, and they look like they're not gonna snag or anything. Look at this. They look so pretty to me. Super pretty. You know, you can do your little half up, half down, with some down in the back, have a little bun to the top. I think it's gonna be real cute. Real cute. So let me go ahead and get the rules in for this giveaway. For this giveaway, it's gonna be simple, to the point. 3 things you need to do. Number 1, you definitely need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Number 2, you need to send me a request on Instagram and be following me on Instagram. And the 3rd and final thing is you need to locate me via Facebook. And on your page, you can randomly, I have over 1,000 videos on YouTube. You need to randomly select 2 videos and post them on your page, just 2. If you want to do more than 2, that's up to you. I'm grateful, I'm thankful, but I'm just asking that you put your favorite 2 videos. I don't care if there are 2 videos when I first started YouTube and I was looking a hot mess. I don't care what 2 videos you want to put. I just want to see that you put 2 videos, and I will be checking, because obviously if you're the winner, I'm going to go to your Facebook page and make sure that 2 videos have been uploaded of me. I'm going to go to my Instagram and make sure that you are following me when you give me your username, and I'm going to also make sure that you're following me via YouTube. So that's it. Those are the 3 things that I'm requiring. Now, in the description box, y'all need to give me my props, because I've been trying to keep my end of the bargain with putting some type of information in there. So in there, it will be my username for Facebook and my username for Instagram. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's all you need to do to win this hair. Now, if you don't want to participate in this giveaway, honey, no worries. I got 2 more giveaways that I'm going to be doing for the next month. Like I said, I'm going to do 3 to 4 giveaways each week. So this one is going to start today, being Friday. Next week, Friday, I am going to go live or do a video, depending on how I feel, and I'm going to let you know who won. The following Monday, your prize will be shipped out to you. Okay? Simple as that. Today starts the contest, Friday. Next Friday, pick the winner. Monday, you'll be getting I'll be shipping it out to you. And then Friday, we'll start another giveaway, and we'll just do it like that, okay? Because I had it keep coming in, and I can't keep using it. It's just too much for me. I don't want to keep changing my hairstyle every 5 seconds. And y'all should be proud of me. Child, I still got my braids, although they're growing out. Child, I still got my braids. They still cute or whatever. Yeah. So anyways, I thank y'all all. Levi went to sleep, y'all. Y'all want to see him? Look at him. He woke up now. He done woke up. He was asleep when I first went over there. Levi, say hey, everybody. All right, y'all. So I love y'all so very much. And Levi loves y'all too. Say, I love y'all too, everybody. Y'all have a beautiful day, a night, whatever weekend, and good night to everybody. And good luck. Well, not good luck. I hope somebody who really deserves to win wins. All right. Bye, y'all. Love y'all. See y'all later.
I'ma pray until something happens. No more wild life and trust and trapping.